Hi everyone, in this video I am going to discuss about the task which has been given for my data science and business analytics internship in the Sparks Foundation. Task 1, prediction using supervised machine learning. For this task we will be applying linear regression for predicting students percentage based on the number of the study hours. Problem statement: what will be the predicted score if students studies for 9.25 hours per day? While starting our code, we need to import all the necessary libraries such as pandas, numpy, matplotlib, and then we need to read the data set. In my case, I have read the data set from the given link in the task. After that, I have printed the data set with the help of the head function. I have shown the structure of the data set. The next part is plotting the distribution of the scores. Here I have plotted the distribution of the scores with the help of a graph visualization. In the graph, I have took hours into the x coordinates and scores into the y coordinates. Hours versus percentage is the title of the graph. And the next part is data preparation. In the data preparation part, the first is we need to divide the data into input and output. Here the x refers to the input and y refers to the output. And then we need to split the data into training and testing sets with the help of the train test split method, which has been imported from the sklearn library. In the train test split model, the training and testing data is in the ratio of 80:2, which means 80% belong to the training data and 20% belong to the testing data. After that splitting, we need to train the algorithm with the help of the imported linear regression from the sklearn library. After importing the linear regression, we need to fit the input and output training data into the linear regression, and then we need to plot the regression line. The regression line is being formed with the help of the linear regression coefficient and the linear regression intercept. And then we need to plot the linear regression line into the graph. After that, we need to print the input tested data, and then we need to compare the actual and predicted student scores in the output with the help of the predict function. At last, we came to the main point that we in this part we need to find the we need to find the percentage score for 9.25 study hours. With the help of the predict function, we have found that the 93.691 is the predicted score for the student if he or she studies for 9.25 hours per day. At last, the evaluating the model comes. In this model, the matrix is being imported from the sklearn library, which is used to find the mean absolute error. The mean absolute error is being defined as the sum of the difference between the input and the predicted variable. Thank you.